Welcome back to Corporate Bites, breakfast edition.
All right, so check out this food here. We got eggs, bread, Italian herb bread, and some sardines. So the macros, this whole plate, around 400 calories.
Crazy low.
And altogether protein, it's around, with the drink, 30 grams of protein, Genius Gourmet Sparkling Protein.
From Costco.
From Costco, altogether 55 grams of protein.
Wow.
Really good.
Let's try that out, guys. Sardines. Gosh. Whoa. Whoa.
All right, let's try this out. Get some sardines on here. Oops. All right. Ooh. That's good. Some of this. Do the same thing, you know?
Ooh, crispy. Here's.
Like a 8.8 out of 8.9.
Wow, almost perfect.